Now, this is how we can separate emails on your iPad. So first of all, if we open up the Mail app like this, you can see that there are some built-in filtering sections. Like as you can see in my inbox in there, you can see that I have the primary section, and then I have the transactions, I have the updates, social media, right, promotions, and all mail. So by default, you can separate it into these categories. And if you don't see it, just click the three dots and switch it from the list view to the categories. So I personally think that this is very useful because you can separate your emails nicely into these categories, and it's automatic and it just works well. But you can proceed further and separate it based on your own preferences, because in the left panel you can also create a new folders. Right, as you can see, I have a couple of folders in there. So I have like my favorites, project X, Y, and Z, work, and so on. So you can always click on edit and click on a new mailbox in there and create like a new folder. So as you can see, you can name it, for example, fun or whatever, and we choose it to be the iCloud email. So we're going to click on save and hit done like that. So as you can see, I have a folder which is named fun, and any message I want to put in there, I can click on it, tap the folder, and put it into the fun folder. So that's how you can manually separate your emails based on the different categories and the different types for better organization. And so I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know if you managed to find what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the future uploads.